My fault. I'm a little hype. You know what I mean? I just came from the drop. Week 9? Yeah, boy. Guess what I got? Lacoste Supreme drop. I got something. And I'm gonna review it right now. Alright, so I'm gonna pull out. Not that pull out, you nasty. I'm gonna pull out what I copped today. I copped a few things, but I'm only pull out one and I'm gonna review one thing. Yeah! Yeah, I did it, bro. I did it. I went and got it. Yeah, I did that. Yeah. I did that. I mean, I ain't gas. I don't care. It's nothing. It's just the bag. You know what I'm saying? Boom! It's just the... Alright, we got the Supreme Lacoste Collab. I think it's nice. I think it's good. The only thing I don't like about the bag, I ain't gonna lie, it's too short. I like to wear my bags around like this, and this ain't working for me. Even if you extend it, it still ain't long enough. But it goes around my waist, and I thought, you know what? I'm gonna wear this for the summer, shirtless in the beach, you know, I'm getting yacky. Ha! Something like, so I was like, you know what? Why not? I like the Gucci too. I know you thought of that too. Don't lie. Don't lie. It's like engraved Supreme Lacoste. Supreme on the top, Lacoste on the bottom. Got the, they're probably gonna kill me for this, but they got the alligator in the middle. Y'all know what it is, whatever, call it what it is. On the strap, fire flames on the strap. We got Supreme, and then we also got Lacoste right next to it. It goes all around like that, which I like. I think it would have been better if they would have done like 2 tones, like this bag, like the first drop, like that stripe with the white Lacoste. Oof, oof. But whatever. It got 3 pockets. I love that. My favorite pocket, I'm gonna do last. Got the front pocket right here. Boop, right here. Good size wallet you can fit in this pocket. Then on this pocket, which every fanny pack has this little socket right here. Hey. Hey. It brought a little baggie. That was my race. I know you mad race. Back to the bag. The pocket right here, nice size. You know how fanny pack pockets are, cool. Where? Yeah. Pocket on the back. A little stash. You feel me? Fit an ID. Fit some. Yeah, say anything you want, man. Anything you want. I don't know nothing. I don't know, officer. Who? I don't know nothing. I don't know nothing. I'm gonna zoom in for y'all like I'm doing in every one of my videos. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna show y'all detailed how everything looks. Let's get up close and personal with this one.
901 Shelby Drive. Look alive, look alive. Niggas came up on this side. Now they on the other side. Oh well, fuck them, dawg. We gon' see how hard they ride. I get racks to go outside, and I split it with the guys. We up on the other side. Niggas acting like we tied. I been gone since like July. Niggas acting like I died.
Alright, my guys, y'all know can't just leave y'all like that. I need y'all to subscribe to my channel, like my pictures, like my videos on Instagram, Prince Fiorentino, and show me some love, man. Comment, man. Tell me what to do next. Tell me what to review. I'll reply. Tell me what to buy next. I'm gonna be going every week to Supreme, every drop. I'm gonna be getting something, at least one thing that I'm gonna be reviewing. So let me know what y'all want me to do next. Let's get it!
901 Shelby Drive, look alive, look alive. Niggas came up on this side, now they on the other side. Oh well, fuck them, dawg. We gon' see how hard they